Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our DC-40C-PKG-SHRT package tracking gasketed enclosed counter. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to track the number of products that are being made in a factory-like setting, such as a conveyor belt, for example. And how it will work is that the diffused reflective object sensor will detect the objects and it will cause the count to increment by 1, and then the client can utilize our environmentally sealed push button switch to decrement the count by 1 or to reset everything back to 0. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this unit and how it is all meant to work, and I'm also going to showcase the inside and show you how it is all wired inside the enclosure, and then I will also explain the hardware aspect of this model as well. So as you can see, this is an IP66 gasketed enclosure. This is a new addition to our counters in that it is waterproof. So as you can see, we have our diffused reflective sensor right here, and when I wave my hand in front of this, it causes the count to increment by 1, as you can see. And this is how we are able to detect the number of objects that are, or number of products I should say, that are being produced. And now we are going to switch over to our environmentally sealed push button switch. If I press on the black button, that causes the count to decrement by the number of times I press the button. And if we want to reset everything back to 0, just press the red button and it will reset everything back to 0. So now I'm going to showcase how one is able to get in the inside of this enclosure and how they are able to see how everything is connected. So first things first, I'm going to depower the unit, and I do this by just simply either turning off the switch on our power adapter or just by unplugging it. The power cord is an SJEOW rated power cord right here. And then we are going to put it down onto its back. And then the client can utilize a Phillips head screwdriver in order to unscrew the front cover, which is gasketed, onto the main enclosure. So as you can see, I have now unscrewed all the screws from the front cover, and now we are going to take the said front cover, just detach it from the enclosure, place it on back here. So as you can see, the area sensor is connected via terminal block on the inside right here. And as you can see on the little sticker right here, this is how we are able to connect to the sensor by having the brown wire go to terminal 1, by having the blue wire, which is the common wire, go to terminal 2, and by having the black wire go to terminal 3, which is the increment function. And as you can see right here on this other sticker right here, it says that all contacts are either momentary dry contact closures or they are 530 VDC. And as you can see, our environmentally sealed push button switch is connected via an optoboard, and the client can also supply the whole unit with 24 VDCs worth of power of their own via this green terminal block right here, as you can see. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as I have stated before, the enclosure is an IP66 all aluminum gasketed enclosure. The display size for the digits is 4 inches that is viewable up to a total of 200 feet. The number of digits are 4 digits that can count up to a total of 9,999. Its power type is an outdoor SJOW rated power cable, along with the customer being able to supply 24 VDCs worth of power of their own. For mounting, we have our teardrop knockout drops on the back of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our diffused reflective sensor that detects objects at 10-inch range, and we have our environmentally sealed push button with a junction box and 25 feet of cabling. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40C-PKG-SHRT package tracking gasketed enclosed counter. Thanks for watching.